Welcome to my channel.
Virgin Media Hub 5X Flashing Blue Light? Quick Fix and Troubleshooting Guide. 1. Check the cables. Ensure the power cable, coaxial cable, and Virgin Media Hub are securely flashing blue light. Loose cables and troubleshooting guides. 2. Power cycle the hub. Unplug the power cable, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and plug it back in. Let the hub fully restart. 3. Check service status. Visit the Virgin Media service status page or app to see if there's an outage in your area. 4. Move the hub. Place the hub in an open area, away from walls and other electronics, for better signal reception. 5. Check for overheating. If the hub feels hot, turn it off for 10 to 15 minutes. Overheating can trigger flashing lights. 6. Remove interference. Keep devices like microwaves, cordless phones, or baby monitors away from the hub. 7. Restart your devices. Turn off connected devices, phones, laptops, smart TVs, and then turn them back on after the hub stabilizes. 8. Check Wi-Fi settings. Log into your hub via 192.168.0.1 and make sure the Wi-Fi is active and broadcasting correctly. 9. Factory reset. Last resort, press the reset button on the back of the hub for 20 seconds. This will erase settings, so you'll need to set up Wi-Fi again. 10. Contact Virgin Media Support. If the light still flashes, contact Virgin Media Support. The hub may need replacement or a technician visit. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.